Time for a lunch break. And I never did an intro today. Do the intro.
Welcome to Break Heart Orchard. Today we're putting up the walls in the front bedroom.
That pinches it together, right? Just stitch it in a couple places. Gap at the bottom. The bottom of the other side is touching.
Okay. So on this side, it's not touching on the bottom though.
The other side is touching. So
weird.
All that means is the skins aren't perfectly lined up.
It's not all the way down.
That's why we're going to try and beat it. Moving nice too.
Yeah.
Oh my God. That couldn't have been any better.
Okay, so that put it all the way down on this side.
And it's touching at the top.
We just need the bottom.
I want to see what the bottom looks like.
Well, it's not touching on the bottom on this side.
I imagine on the other side it's not either. Well, we got this first window in. It was a bit of a struggle with just the two of us, but we got it in there. We got it nice and plumb. Now I need to go ahead and finish the rest of the wall. First thing I need to do is put a double dimensional spline into this section right here so we can join the other piece of the wall to it. Why don't you go in there and guide it?
Okay, okay.
Pull it your way.
Okay.
Yep. Alright.
Oh, wow, nice.
Does that work?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, it has room to go in, but
alright, I'm gonna knock it in and then knock it down.
Okay. Because the bottom is right next to the...
Yep. top of the window. It's all the way in.
Oh, nice. Well, that was much easier than banging for 15 minutes.
That was one of the ideas I got off Tractor by Net. That came, 2 different people suggested that one.
Oh, really? So there's a little gap at the top.
Good job, guys. I appreciate the help. Thank you.
So there's a little gap at the top. Does that bother you?
On the inside, there's no gap. Go in there and look.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's touching.
Okay.
So the skins are not completely lined up.
Oh, wow.
So, and it's not really a problem because with expansion and everything, a little bit of a gap is not a problem. So it looks like we're about to put together the corner here on this front wall. And what I'm going to do, we've already got all the splines put into place on the 2 corner pieces. It's going to fit really well here. In fact, we're going to have a little bit of wiggle room to work with on the edge, which is perfect because what I've got to do is get the inside of that piece foamed, get it set up on here, set it into place, set this other one into place, and then put the corner together so that the corner can be level and plumb, pull the corner together, and then I stitch this side. If I were to go ahead and put this piece in place and stitch it here, then when it came time for the corner, this corner piece comes all the way out to the front with the edge of it sitting here, and you want to be able to pull these 2 pieces together. And what would happen is that piece would come over and it wouldn't be plumb. The wall would come inward a little bit, and that's not what we want. I may not be able to lift it high enough.
You got the strap in.
Well, that's part of the stupid reason. That wasn't, it was a good idea until it wasn't. If that corner went down.
It's not going down this side.
What's that?
It's not even this. Like, the board is too wide.
Alright. Coming up.
Yep.
Alright. It won't snug up because of the glue set. I just went right through this.
It won't snug up because of glue?
The glue has set. We have to take these panels off. The glue's set on the other panel. We took too long with this one. We have to take it off and do it again.
It went right through because
It went right through because that won't move, and that has to move. We have to tear both of these panels off and do it again because we took too long because we couldn't get into that slot. Let's do it. We got daylight left. Let's do it. And it won't move. It will not budge. We got to get it out. I did not nail this in anywhere, and it will not budge.
Are you sure you didn't nail it?
I didn't nail it in anywhere. It will not budge. I don't know how to get it to move.
It's supposed to come over?
You have to have a tight corner. How big is that gap?
A 1/4 inch.
We either have to hammer this way, put some kind of spacer between these two. That's like a 1/4 inch, which we're not going to find anything that small. Oh, this sucks.
OSB.
Alright, on the inside, there's a gap. On the outside, there's no gap. It's as over as it's going to go.
Okay.
question is, can we get that up? Will this go in? Will it fit in there?
With the OSB?
Yeah.
It looks like it could. OSB has more give.
Ain't gonna give much. Is it over too much?
Definitely came down.
What's that?
Definitely came down.
That did not go according to plan. I thought we were going to be done and drive home in the daylight. Didn't go down like that. It took so long to get this one situated because the channel that I cut for it was off a little bit, that the glue set up on the other panel and it wouldn't pull over. I couldn't get it down because the adhesive expanding foam had already set up behind it and it was grabbing hold of it. I was able to take a block and beat it over far enough that I could put a spacer, an OSB spacer between the two of these, nail it up, and everything is up tight and plumb. We're gonna clean up. I'm gonna go home, take a shower. Tomorrow is supposed to be a rainy day, so we're gonna do some stuff around the house at home. Things, that kind of stuff we've been neglecting, things that need maintenance, things that need, well, my wife keeps everything spick and span, so it's always clean. But there's things we got to do at home. Rainy day is a good day to do it. I hope y'all will learn something, even if it's don't do it the way that I just did it, do it, plan it better, do something. If you learned something, if you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe. We can always use the support. Thank you to the folks who subscribed recently. It's boosted our numbers up to about 150, which is a big deal for us. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all next time at Breakheart Orchard. I'm beat down, sugar. Thanks for sticking with me.